To begin, make sure you have the Zoom desktop client open and click the Sign In button. When signing into Zoom, we want to make sure we are using the SSO option. Navigate to the bottom of the box and select the SSO button marked with a key icon. You may be prompted to enter your company domain to access your CSU Zoom account. In the Your Company Domain box, enter CSU Ohio, all one word, and navigate to the bottom of the box and select Continue. This should open a new tab in your default browser, taking you to the CSU SSO landing page. Log in with your CSU ID at csuohio.edu and your campus password. You may have an open Zoom Meetings box pop up on your screen, requesting permission to open Zoom meetings directly from your browser. This is a helpful time-saving option, so we are going to make sure we check the box to always allow csuohio.zoom.us to open links of this type, and then navigate to the bottom of the box and select Open Zoom.us. We are now logged into our CSU Zoom account through SSO. Email us at instructionaltech@csuohio.edu or visit our virtual Zoom help meeting Monday through Friday, 8:30 to 5 at https://csuohio.edu/Zoom help.